Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Excellence Learning Point. I'm the excellent teacher, and I'm here for those who want to speak English.
I hope you all will be safe and sound today.
I have created this YouTube channel, Excellence Learning Point, and I'll upload videos related English for beginners, those who do not even know the ABC of English. And I assure you that after watching my videos over and over, they'll be able to understand English, and a day will come they'll be able to speak English. Now, anyone who really wants to speak English, he or she should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified about my all upcoming videos.